Today we are trying out LED options on the 4Runner. I've got a few LED options here and I'm going to try them all out. This first bulb that we're trying is just a Sylvania 194 style 6000 Kelvin LED bulb. 6000 Kelvin is just this super bright white that you see. It's not the off-white orangey yellow kind of color that incandescent bulbs commonly come as. This is the same style as the previous Sylvania, but this one is blue instead of white. Here's a random one. I don't remember the brand of this one, but it's just the amber color. It's not very bright, but I figured if you wanted to see what amber looks like in this lens, this is better than nothing. So in the past, this company has sent me bulbs to review and make a video about. These particular ones I paid for with my own money, but I figured I'd tell you in the past I've gotten stuff for free from this company. I just still prefer them. I still buy their stuff. This first one is a 6000 Kelvin. That one is so bright I have to turn the ISO down on this. And here's the same model, but in red. So where you live, it might be illegal to change the color of the bulb that's in this door, especially to blue if in your area they use that for police cars and other vehicles like that. I'd recommend just sticking with a white bulb, so use other colors at your own risk. So don't take those bulbs out hot because they get really hot, they will burn you. Alright, looks good. Here it is at night. Alright, that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Car Simplified video.